Hello everyone. If you're a woman and you've been trying to lose belly fat for months, but your stomach still sticks out even after losing weight, then today's video is for you. Because most women work really hard to lose belly fat, but they unknowingly make a few common mistakes that can slow down their progress. And the surprising part is, many of these mistakes are so common that nearly 90% of women make them every single day without realizing it. Make sure you watch this video until the end, because at the end, I'll share a simple daily routine that can help support belly fat loss while also improving your energy levels and overall health. The first mistake, eating too little. Many women believe that if they eat less, they will lose belly fat faster. But often, the opposite can happen. When your body receives too few calories, it may try to conserve energy. As a result, your metabolism can slow down, and the fat loss process may become less efficient. That's why, instead of starving yourself, focusing on a balanced diet is generally a better approach. The second big mistake, skipping breakfast. Many people start their morning with nothing but coffee, but going too long without eating can increase hunger later in the day, and that can lead to overeating. A better option may be including protein and fiber in your breakfast, such as eggs, Greek yogurt, oats, or a protein smoothie. The third mistake, not getting enough protein. If your goal is fat loss, protein plays a very important role. Protein helps you stay full for longer. It also helps support muscle mass. And maintaining muscle mass is important for a healthy metabolism. Try to include a source of protein with every meal. For example, eggs, chicken, fish, tofu, beans, or Greek yogurt. Now let's talk about the mistake that may contribute the most to stubborn belly fat, and that is liquid calories. Many women believe they don't eat very much, but they may consume a lot of calories through drinks. Soda, sweet coffee drinks, sugar-loaded smoothies, energy drinks, and sweetened juices can all contain significant amounts of calories. That's why choosing water more often can be a smart option. Now let's discuss a habit that very few people pay attention to, and that is eating too fast. When you eat quickly, your brain may not receive fullness signals in time. The result, eating more than your body actually needs. So try to chew each bite slowly, take your time, enjoy the flavor of your food, and continue chewing until the food becomes soft and easy to swallow. Some people refer to this as a liquid-like chewing approach, meaning you chew your food thoroughly until it's broken down enough to swallow comfortably. This habit may help with portion control, and it can also support digestive comfort. Now let's talk about exercise. Many women try to lose belly fat by doing endless crunches every day. But the truth is, the idea of spot reduction is very limited. In other words, doing AB exercises alone doesn't specifically target belly fat. Overall body fat loss is what matters most, and that's where full body movement can be more effective, such as walking, strength training, cycling, swimming, or home workouts. A simple beginner routine could look like this: 20 minutes of brisk walking, 10 minutes of bodyweight squats, 10 minutes of modified push-ups, 10 minutes of core exercises, and most importantly, consistency. Because consistency is the foundation of every successful transformation. Many people rely on motivation, but real results come from daily habits. And in the next part of this video, we'll talk about sleep, stress, hormones, late-night eating, smart meal timing, and a powerful fat loss routine that has helped many women build healthier lifestyles. So make sure you stay until the end, because the next section, now let's talk about a mistake that often goes unnoticed, but can have a major impact on belly fat loss, and that is lack of sleep. Many women stay up late scrolling on their phones, watching TV shows, or catching up on work. But when your body doesn't get enough rest, the hormones that regulate hunger can be affected. As a result, cravings may increase, and the next day, you may find yourself wanting more sugary and high-calorie foods. That's why it's important to aim for about 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Now let's move on to another common mistake: ignoring stress. Stress doesn't just affect your mind, it can affect your entire body. When stress stays high for a long period of time, many people begin emotional eating. In other words, eating even when they're not physically hungry. That's why stress management should be part of your fat loss journey. Every day, just 10 minutes of deep breathing, a light walk, meditation, or other relaxing activities can be beneficial. Now let's talk about late-night snacking. While watching TV or scrolling through your phone, it's easy to eat more than you realize. The problem isn't always the food itself, it's mindless eating. When your attention is somewhere else, portion control becomes much harder. So after dinner, try to consider the kitchen closed. And if you feel hungry later, drink some water first. Then ask yourself, am I truly hungry? Or is this just a habit? Now let's discuss something very important: meal timing. Many women eat very little throughout the day and then consume most of their calories at night. This can affect both energy levels and appetite control. A better strategy may be spreading balanced meals throughout the day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and healthy snacks if needed. Now let's talk about fiber. Fiber can be the hidden hero of your fat loss plan. It helps you stay full longer, and it supports healthy digestion. Try including more vegetables, fruits, beans, oats, whole grains, and salads in your daily meals. Now let's discuss your exercise plan. If you want to lose belly fat, don't rely on cardio alone. Strength training should also be part of your routine, because stronger muscles help support a healthier body composition. Here's a simple weekly schedule. Monday, full body strength training. Tuesday, walking. Wednesday, core and mobility. Thursday, walking. Friday, strength training. Saturday, active lifestyle activities. Sunday, recovery and rest. Remember, you don't need a perfect program. You need a consistent program. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful habits of all: mindful eating. Whenever you eat, turn off the TV. Put your phone away. Focus only on your meal. Eat slowly. Chew every bite thoroughly. Chew until the food is soft and easy to swallow. This simple habit can help you recognize fullness signals, and it may help reduce overeating. Now let's look at a simple sample day. Morning, drink water. Take a light walk. Enjoy a protein-rich breakfast. Afternoon, have a balanced lunch, including protein, vegetables, and healthy carbohydrates. Evening, choose a piece of fruit or Greek yogurt. Night, eat a light, balanced dinner. And after dinner, avoid unnecessary snacking whenever possible. Remember, there is no magic shortcut to losing belly fat. No secret pill, no miracle drink. Real success comes from small daily habits, quality
well every
sleep,
day.
balanced
Fiber-rich foods are
nutrition,
essential for your
regular
daily health.
exercise,
Broccoli is a
stress
great source of
management,
fiber.
and
Apples and raspberries
consistency.
provide a sweet
If you
boost.
recognize
Avocados and
these
lentils also
mistakes
help.
and
Aim for
start
oats and
improving
whole
them
grains are
one
vital
step
for
at a
your health.
time,
Oatmeal is packed
you
with
may
fiber and
begin
iron.
noticing
Whole grain
positive
bread gives you a
changes in the
lasting
months
energy
ahead.
boost. Quinoa
If
and
you
corn are
found this
also great
video
options.
helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below saying, "I'm ready to transform." I'll see you in the next video.
Full body strength workout.
Until then, take
Lunges
care of
target your
yourself
quadriceps and glutes.
and
Overhead
keep
presses
moving
engage
one step
shoulders and
closer
triceps.
to your
Squats strengthen your
fitness
entire
goals
core.
every
Plan
single
your
day.
weekly workouts for consistent